Ready? That's loud.
You're the snow away though. Just got done blowing holes in ice. That was fun. Other than that, it's been pretty slow this morning. No one got sleep last night. It was cold out here. No, it's not too bad. Last night, the funniest thing on the planet, he found a skunk.
Hey, did you see me rapid fire it?
What's going on?
What?
What'd you do?
I'm waiting for you.
It's a good time though.
That was amazing.
Oh boy. I don't know, we got some oats to sell this week. Not a whole lot else to do. Get the drone out. Having fun!
Outside light work. I'm replacing the switch anyways.
Oh. Bull! Kenny?
That you? Oh, fuck, I can't remember which one it was. I guess. Let's plug this one in. Anything? Ow. You ever stab yourself with a screwdriver? Jesus!
Oh!
This is why Mom fucking loves me.
What did you not want in the house?
1911.
Why would you say that?
We don't shoot it off in the house.
I don't have the 1911 out here, by the way.
No. Jesus! Holy fuck! This is why Mom doesn't fucking love you!
Yeah, he's pretty susceptible to being scared. I think it's pretty funny, but he don't think it's funny, but I do. So I'm just gonna climb around just for hubbity. There's a lot of crap in here. Baler, another old thing, a truck, another deal, and oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, don't crack. Please don't crack. Bull! Think I can make it to there? Yeah! No! Ah! I'm just gonna be the one-eyed wonder now. Not so much the wondrous part. What the? Well, that doesn't do anything. This sure doesn't anymore. Screwdrivers! We have flown this freaking time machine onto oblivion. Ooh, pancakes. All right, time to drive this one. Ooh, it has air suspension. Key on. Aww. Oh, the splits. Oh, that's not good. Not good. Look at the size of that thing. That thing's huge. Hello. Oh. Oh. God, does it smell in here? So he thinks I'm stuck in there, but I'm not. We're gonna scare him again. Yodely!
So I'm walking back from the camper, and I hear yelling coming from inside the tractor shed. You gonna come back here? Well, the hopper was deeper than I thought it was. Well, oh, you miserable piece of shit.
Hi! How you doing, bud? I found the shop back. But more importantly, I found my four fence chargers. Oh wait, there's more. What are you doing?
I got snow on my pecker. I was pissing out the window. You on video? Oh, it's freezing my nuts. My nuts are hurting. Oh yeah.
So I had to take a pit stop because I'd seen something that I couldn't possibly resist. Air and Space Museum, South Dakota.
Welcome to the Missile Procedure Training.